Next topic, it is the mode of action of cyanide, organophosphate and snake venom. So first we will see cyanide. There are two forms of cyanide. First gas and second is solid. Gas, we know that HCl, and in solid form that is the KCl and potassium cyanide and sodium cyanide. So the source of poisoning of these cyanides are first by plant poison, the seeds of apple, cherry seeds and almond includes the small content of cyanide. Second, industries that manufacturing of cyanide, or in plating, electroplating industries and other industries where use the cyanide. So that sources, these are the cyanide poisoning. Second, when we use cyanide in the lab, in the experiment, there is also possibility of poisoning of cyanide. Next, what is the root cause of this cyanide? So the cyanides are invasional by injection of cyanide or by default we test the NaCN or KCN, or gas absorbed through respiratory system. These are the main root causes of poisoning of cyanide. So the cyanide, it is the mainly absorb or binds to metal atom, that is the iron and cobalt. So for poisoning, cyanide, it is the rapidly absorbs through skin by mucosal and respiratory membrane, and cyanide, it disturbs the, or it distributed in the blood within few minutes, and it disturbs the ability of cell to use oxygen. So the cyanide is mainly disturb the process of respiration. So general mechanism of cyanide poisoning is the form of hypoxia, that is it form the hypoxia, that is the low respiration, that is the inability to cell to take up or use the oxygen from the bloodstream. So this is the inability of cell to use oxygen from the bloodstream. That is the main effect of poisoning. That is the stop the delivery of oxygen to the cell. So cyanide, how these are stop the oxygen to the cell? Cyanide, it is a quickly bind with iron in cytochrome. That is, it prevent the electron transport in cytochrome. That is, this stop the production of ATP, and the cell have less amount of oxygen and forcefully goes to anaerobic metabolism. And there is a large quantity of lactic acid is formed. There is the imbalance of metabolic activity. So when in hemoglobin, iron so generally the cytochrome or C oxidase, these are it used in the electron transport chain. This chain producing ATP for energy. Cytochrome is found in mitochondria. The cyanide ion is bind to ferric ion of the enzyme, then it destroy its structure. So prevent the tissue from using the oxygen. There is a impair the cell function. So there is all the tissues are damaged throughout the body. So central nervous system and cardiac tissues are affected by cyanide. When the tissue are damaged, so it affect the body. So this is the mechanism of cyanide poisoning. So in general, it is the quickly binds to iron in the cytochrome, that is prevent or stop the production of ATP as the less amount of oxygen, and thus these go to anaerobic metabolism. So it disturbs all the functioning of cell. This is the mechanism of cyanide poisoning. Second, organophosphate poisoning. Generally, organophosphate is used in the pesticide, and the poisoning occur generally in farming area for organophosphate poisoning. So generally the source of or root causes of organophosphate poisoning are drinking, by breathing, or skin exposure. So we will know that the organophosphate poisoning is by accidentally or suicidal or homicidally. Accidentally by means of when we spray the organophosphate poisoning on the vegetable, then we eat that vegetable, so it is the accidentally. Suicidally, the use of poisons for suicidal purpose. Generally, the organophosphate poisoning, it affects the central nervous system. The central nervous system, we have the two nerves, terminals, receptor and neurons. When the signal comes, there is present the acetylcholine. So acetylcholine, when it goes, when any response to the nerve cell, acetylcholine, it goes to the receptor neurons here, and here the acetylcholine is converted into acetyl and acetate and acetylcholine. So here present acetylcholine, and by the enzyme of acetylcholine esterase, this acetylcholine is converted into acetate and choline. So this leads to the activation of muscles. And when the organophosphate poisons is come on these neurons, there is a, here in normally there is a reversible process. Acetate and choline is a reversible formation of acetylcholine. Due to the organophosphate, it inhibites the conversion of acetate and choline. Here it disturbs the functioning of this acetylcholine formation. So generally organophosphate insecticide are damaging the enzymes in the body called acetylcholine esterase. So here the functioning of this neuron cell is disturbed. So these enzymes are critical for controlling the nerve signal in the body. So when there is a no nerve signal come in the body, so there is a no response from our hand or other parts of the body. So generally thus the body is affected. So this is all organophosphate poisoning. Organophosphate generally all basically pesticide like parathion, malathion and so organophosphate poisoning occurs mostly in suicide attempt in